We have led the way in research for over 150 years, giving your students the knowledge they need to flourish and helping your researchers publish high-quality work. Now we are here to help you shape the future of research at your institution. We know reputation matters. It holds the key to attracting the best students, securing future funding, and improving research output. Research that has real impact. Research that can help solve some of the world's biggest problems. That is why we created a collection of solutions to help you define your strategy, equip your researchers, and maximize your impact. Research intelligence tools that analyze and interpret complex data to inform your strategic decisions, helping you uncover global research patterns, find collaborators, and identify funding opportunities. Professional editing services and expert-led masterclasses that improve researchers' skills, helping them navigate the publication process and deliver their most accomplished work. Communication services to present to your work across academia and beyond, getting your research the global coverage it deserves, helping you maximize your institution's reputation with peers, funders, and potential partners, helping you develop your pathway to research excellence.